Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by Sandwich. So guys, in today's video we're going to talk about the best productivity tools out there in 2022. I have prepared a list of 5 Chrome extensions that you can install, and definitely this is going to help you to improve your productivity, and this I can give you guarantee for this. So let's start the video and let me show you the first extension that I have kept in my list, and that's called OneTab. It's an amazing tool for productivity. This can help you a lot. So right on the screen, so you can see this is the website page for OneTab. OneTab is a really cool extension. What it does is that it organizes all of your tabs in just if you have multiple tabs open in Chrome, and Chrome is a memory eater. It consumes a lot of your RAM. So in that case, what you can do in order to stop that lagging, because when you have multiple tabs open up, your Chrome starts lagging, it slows down. But you can counter this problem by just installing this extension. What it does is that it combines all of the tabs into one tab, right? So that's why it's named as OneTab, because it gets all the multiple tabs closed down to just one tab. Like as you can see over your screen, they have attached a picture. Like you can see all this on it. This is all the different tabs. It's all the different tabs that just gets merged up to one tab. So it's a really amazing productivity tool that you need to install. All links are there in the description. You can go install this and definitely you'll see the change. Alright guys, so the next extension that I have on my list is called Sandwich. So let's take this website page and let me tell you more about what Sandwich is. Alright, so now on my screen. So now on my screen you can see this is the website page for Sandwich. Sandwich is a really cool tool. It can help you to manage multiple social media profiles and multiple accounts for any website, right from one single browser. You can basically have multiple sessions created. Each session has got its new identity, and I know you definitely would like to know more about Sandwich, so therefore I have this video for you that you can check this out. And this video really talks in brief about what Sandwich does and how it can help you. Basically talks about is Sandwich worth it, so definitely do watch this out so that you get a great insight about what Sandwich is and what it can do. Definitely, I'm pretty much sure once you know about this extension, you can't stop yourself from installing this. Again, I'd say all links to that in the description. Go check it out, install them, and just feel the change in yourself. Now the next extension that I have on my list is called Grammarly. I'm pretty much sure you all might have heard about what Grammarly is, but however we're gonna have a very short talk about Grammarly. So let's check its website page. So there you have it, website page for Grammarly. Grammarly is a real gem in terms of if you are involved in any form of writing, and it's pretty much quite clear that you might be from anywhere. You definitely need to write. You may need to draft emails, like prepare your blog posts, or maybe some research papers, or like your online publications, whatever it is. Wherever you need some kind of a writing job, Grammarly is out there to save you, because it does a lot. It can just help you to correct your grammatical mistakes. Then it can help you to paraphrase to paraphrase your long sentences and basically give them a short, crispy look. And what Grammarly does is that it really helps you pull out the beauty in your sentences, the beauty from your writing. So definitely Grammarly is a must-have, and go install it if you have it already, because we got already 10 million plus active users for Grammarly. So you definitely know this is a great tool that a lot of people are benefiting from. The next extension on my list is called Save to Pocket. This is another very cool extension that you might definitely like to know about. So let's check its website page. Here you have it, the website page for Save to Pocket has loaded, and let me tell you what Save to Pocket is. It is a really cool extension, and it allows you to save anything over the internet, anything that you're browsing. You can basically click on the Save to Pocket and it saves the entire web page, or maybe a piece of a content, a video. It could be anything. Okay, it could be anything, any piece of information on the internet that you can save by just click of a single button. It gets it saved for you. And at times there could be time when you're trying to find out some content, you may be going through some inspirations. You may like some articles, but what you can do is you have to manually copy paste or maybe manually save that web page. But what you can do is you can just install this extension, and this extension does the job for you. It saves the content for you so that you can refer back to it anytime. right? So it is that cool. So definitely go ahead and install this. It has also got 2 million plus active users, so definitely this is a really really helpful and a useful tool. Alright, so the last extension for today's video is called the Stay Focused. I definitely couldn't miss this extension when I talk about productivity, so let's check it out. The website page for Stay Focused is loaded now on your, and you can see on your screens. This is the website page. So basically what Stay Focused does is that it allows you to block some websites temporarily, the sites, maybe the social media sites or the sites where you spend more of your time uselessly, right? You just tend to waste your time over these sites. You can basically blacklist them for for like an hour or hour and two, wherever it is, up to you. The time limit is up to you. You can block the site and it won't allow you to access that website. It allows you to just be focused on your core work. It gives you an alert that please be focused on your work, and this site has been temporarily blocked by you. All right, so definitely you definitely need extensions like this to keep reminding you that you don't have to waste your time. It's time to be more productive, and definitely you have to put in the work. So Stay Focused is a really cool tool in this terms, and it definitely helps you out to keep yourself reminded of that you have to be productive. So guys, with that we end our master list for productivity tools in 2022. I'm pretty much sure these extensions are going to definitely help you bring a positive change into your life. So definitely go ahead and install them. Let me tell you again that all links are there in the description, so go ahead and install it. And till then, I'll see you in some other video. Take care and bye bye.